There are some refrigerating components with recips, and one of them is running. You can kind of hear it. It's pretty quiet. Let me see what brand those are. Can't quite tell, honestly. Is that one? I don't know what it is. That's as far as I can zoom. Maybe it is a Copeland, I'm not sure though. There's some more down that way, I'll film those later. There's a refrigerating component, and that, I don't know what that is. Samsung. Oh, it's running. Digital inverter and a unicam. The compressor sound is really quiet. Pretty sure it has a rotary though. And there's that thing. There's that unit up there. And then over here there are some refrigerating components. Oh yeah. In here. Oh. This one. Oh, that's a big Tecumseh. Yeah, that one has a Tecumseh. It's not running though. And then there's a closer look. It's a semi-hermetic. That's a Danfoss, I think. I don't want to look like I'm stealing, so let me try. Yeah, that has a semi-herm, and that has a regular, I think that's a Danfoss reciprocating. But then there's this one down here that's running. Wait, I don't think any of them are gonna start up though. Maybe that one? No, I don't think that one is running. Wait, that one has two compressors. Yeah. That's like an AW or something. Wait, no. AC. I forgot what it's called. But that one is a Tecumseh for sure. It's a 3-phase. And I think that's all of them. I think that's all of the units here. So yeah, there were those, which sounded nice, but I think more of them were running before. There's that, just a condenser, and there are these units, and I think that's about it. So over and out, I guess. Here are many air conditioners. There's a Riolo. I don't know what that is. A Shizuki. Is that a knockoff? Shizuki. What the heck? What is this? Shizu. I don't know what brand it is. No. Oh, these carriers sound amazing. Here are two big carrier units.
I think that has a, no, that has a rotary.
No.
Or a scroll.
I think it has a scroll in it, like a Copeland scroll.
Here's an Argo.
Dakin multi-inverter. Argo, I've never heard of that. Can probably get the data off of this. Model number 3MX. Never mind. I don't know how to read that, but yeah. There's nice units here. Oh, there's another one there, another Riolo. Yeah. Yeah, here's a Tadiron ductless split. I haven't seen.
The ones that we had in Belgrade.
I haven't seen
it's the same model actually.
I haven't seen these since Serbia.
I think it looks like the same model. I'm gonna be annoying.
Why are you so annoying? Anyways, here's a classic LG ductless split.
But it's an inverter.
I can't get my camera to zoom. Anyways, moving on.
These all have like 4.
Yeah, it's one of those. They're nice units.
I wonder if these units are multi-zoners.
Yeah, I have no idea. There's a carrier up there. Another carrier. Oh. Oh yeah. Here's a big unit. And it's running. It's really quiet. One of those. I think that's it.